Roxy, did you get the window to work?
Yes.
You did?
She's gonna try to lock it. Stop light!
What is with you?
Green light!
What is with you? Yeah, seriously, I think it's the Mountain Dew that got to you. Truck road!
No, this isn't the road. Yeah.
So, Xion, what are you trying to do now?
Kill you.
That's not unusual.
Wow, the seatbelt sucks. Look how far I was before it stopped me. Your car wants to kill. Look at the seat. Oh, okay, there we go. See? There we go.
I think your car's faulty.
Think?
Yeah.
My tire's falling. Look! Oh, it's pretty.
Look! No more snow. Snow.
Oh my god.
No more snow.
Are you cold, Amy?
No.
Oh, okay. You can find Ashley?
There's snow.
Okay.
Oh my god, there's snow and it's like October something.
10th! How could you not know that?
I had no, I love you. Our little oh my god! Oh my god! I can legally have sex with you. Yes!
Oh my god! I'm so excited how she said that.
Roxy, my room or your room tonight? Or the kitchen
well, you
table?
seem to invite yourself to mine all the time anyway, so what the heck?
Oh, or do you want to be risque?
Oh yeah? Whoa!
Or do you want to be? Whoa, no. Do you want to be? Here, Roxas. How about be risque?
I find that offensive.
What?
Threesome.
Let's be risque and do it on the stairs.
Ooh.
Yes. What?
That's kinky.
Yeah, that's the point. I'm all about the kink. I'm Axel, guys. Come on. She hates me. She absolutely hates me.
Roundabout! Woo! My throat's gonna bleed.
Oh, you're gonna be bleeding tonight when I'm done with you.
I'm like the windows are open.
One way!
Whoa! Where are we going?
Another one! Where she's gonna dump our bodies. She's gonna murder us and dump our bodies. What the hell, man? Yo! What's up? Hey, how you doing? No! Vanguard! You know, there's so much advertisement in this that...
No leasing!
Oh my god! Pot sign! I'm surprised you haven't been arrested yet.
I know.
Hey Roxy, is this your theme song?
Yeah.
Thought so.
Roundabout!
Yield! Okay guys, this is the main drag! Hey look, once.
Who has left Cuba? I don't know.
Yes! Le Cuba! Le Cuba! He's French!
Le Cuba!
Le Cuba!
I really want somebody to be outside right now.
Hey, if you see anybody outside, just yell, let's have
Le
sex.
Cuba!
It's either that or take me.
It's 15 here though.
Yeah. Hey Roxas, can I take you now?
Sure.
Yes! Oh my god, my dreams come true! My dreams come true! Xion, look away!
Let's have sex!
Yes!
Shut up!
I love you!
Oh, she's a baby. I feel bad now. Oh.
So the kid was gonna learn about it sometime.
Roundabout. Just keep driving around this.
Norwood Elementary. Oh my god! Oh my god, it's Lexi!
School.
Oh my god! Ah, this is where she goes to school! Whoa! That
Should you listen to this as a school? I didn't know that when we first came over here.
Oh, Oh, you ruined it.
That was fun. Why don't you? We should just like sit in the roundabout.
Guys, this is like 5 minutes and 10 seconds of nonsense. Oh my god. Yeah. That's kind. Twice as nice entrance. Twice as nice entrance. Oh my god. Oh my god. I got that on tape too. Twice as nice entrance. Ah! Stop coming.
I love this one. Is there another way out? Nope, so it stops it. I will.
Oh my god, pedestrian! Oh my god, where? Right over there, little child! Little child!
By the woods.
What?
Say massage therapy by the woods.
Yes! Oh my god!
Academy Lynn Northwest. Lynn. Yeah, yeah, yeah.